Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to do a very simple video. I'm going to show you guys how to make soft chapatis or how to kanda unga. So these are my, what can I say? This is the unga. I'm going to use salt and I'm going to use cowboy. These are the only things that I'm going to use, guys. I don't use sugar. Some of you use sugar, but I don't use sugar at all. I only use salt. So today I have ajab, but my best flour is X. X is always my best, but for now I'm working with what I have, and I have ajab. So enjoy the video, guys, and I hope you will learn something how to make soft chapatis. I want to add salt. This is the salt that I'm using. I don't put too much. And then I'm going to add a bit of cowboy. And then I have my warm water here. It's so hot, but it has to be warm. So, and then I'll start my process ya kukanda. So I'm starting to kanda my unga. Bear with me, guys. I have to hold my phone. I have to kanda with one hand. It's a struggle. But I just had to share this video with you guys. So bear with me. Maybe the secret to making soft chapatis, you just have to kanda your unga very well. You just have to. If you kanda your unga vibaya, then your chapos, they'll be zitakuwa ngumu. So you just have to do it properly. So that's what I'm doing right now. I want to add a little bit of water. Guys, do you see how the mixture is now coming around? You see, my hand are not that sticky the way it was. So I'll just have to add a little bit of oil so that you can get done. So guys, as you can see, I may add oil kidogo so that it becomes more soft. So that hata nikianza kupika, I'll not use too much oil because already nimesha kanda na enough oil. So because I'm holding my phone with one hand and I'm trying to kanda with the other, so I've already passed this part. So as you can see, my hands are no longer that sticky. That means my unga is fine. So I just have to use a little bit of force, but I just wanted to show you guys venye imekuwa. So you see, you just have to kanda a very soft. So guys, look at it. Look at my hands. You guys, if you kanda your unga and you see your hands are like this, just know you have done a very good job. You have done a good job. So it's done. So what I'm about to do, I just want to leave it to rest for like 30 minutes and then we start cooking the chapatis. Guys, stay tuned. So after nishamaliza kukanda, this is what I did. I covered it with this paper. Msishangae mbona natumia hii paper ya festive. It was the one that it was available, so I'm using it. It works for me every time and I use it. So after I'm done, I usually cover it with a wet cloth like this. I don't know whose idea was it to come up with this, but this is what I do all the time, and I give it like 30 minutes. So as is it kama bado ina rest for 30 minutes, I want to akisha jiko, then wash the pan and be ready, and then we'll get back. You can see my Jiko, it's already on, imeshawaka. So I want to get started. So what I want to do is I want to melt my mafuta. This is cowboy. So I want to melt it at least so that I can work with it easily. So as it's doing that, now I want to get ready and start rolling my chapels. So I want to start. You guys, I have to take you bits by bits because I'm holding my phone with one hand and doing the other. So I'll just take you through the process step by step. So what I'm doing right now, I want to roll it, put it into a bit of balls, and then I will come back when I'm ready to put them on the pan. You see how you roll, guys? See how you roll? Perfectly. Look at that. Look at that. So perfect. So I want to go to the next process, which is I want to roll them and put it on the pan. The pan is already hot. So keep watching, guys. Don't worry about the shape, guys. Don't worry about the shape. Oh my god. The pan is too hot. And the chapels are ready, guys. Look at it. Look. So soft. So soft. You guys, look at it. Look at it. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to cook something else and show you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, Andrea's World. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Till next time.